Hello guys and welcome to the third game of Ratchet Clank of the PS2 era. This is Ratchet Clank 3 and actually it's a bit after I recorded Ratchet Clank 2 and actually I'm still kinda pissed because I now noticed that from the half of the last level the HD PVR stopped recording sound. And wait, someone's calling my home. Wait a second. Sorry about that, guys. So, let me sync the audio just real quick. So, 1, 2, 3. And let's start a new game. Of course, in a new save data. I'm hoping that the HD PVR does not repeat what it did.
My Blargian Snagglebeast devours your mutant swamp fly. Oh yeah, I bet you didn't see that one coming. Hey, what are you doing?
Check and mate.
What? That's cheating!
On the contrary, the rules clearly state that the Blargian Snagglebeast has an allergic reaction to swamp flies that last 2 turns. Ooh, it is on again.
Your luck is extraordinary, sir. But do you lose as gracefully as you win?
I would not know, Maximilian. I never lose.
There is a first time for everything. Agent Clank! You missed! So much for the famous secret agent.
Shocking. Bring the car around, Jeeves, and mind the ejector seat this time.
Stay tuned for more Secret Agent Clank.
That was terrific.
Yeah, great. Change the channel.
But the man said to stay tuned.
We continue our live coverage from Veldin. Just hours ago, the planet was attacked without warning by a terrifying alien race known as the Tyrannoids. Officials believe that an evil robotic supervillain known as Dr. Nefarious is the mastermind behind the Tyrannoid attack. As you can see, the Galactic Rangers are putting up a valiant fight, but they are no match for these tentacle-eyed terrors. Indeed, this backwater planet may be completely destroyed in a matter of hours. Darla Gratch, Channel 64 News.
We're going home.
But Veldin is in the Solana galaxy. Oh no, not the gravimetric warp drive. The untested gravimetric warp drive? The one you built from Blargian scrap metal?
Coming?
We are doomed.
You were saying?
I stand corrected.
I just hope we're not too late.
And so we start. Like I was saying, I hope that the HD PVR does not stop recording sound like it did last time. It really pissed me off and now I need to find audio to put on the to put music and get the voices. It's a mess.
Greetings, Client 91802, and welcome back to the Solana Galaxy.
Thanks.
These must be the Galactic Rangers.
Hey, look! It's a new sergeant!
Huh?
Hey, Sarge, you can have my gun. There's too many of them! We're all gonna die!
Press
Oh, poor
circle
guy.
to fire your shock blaster.
Oh crap. At least there's some bolts down here. In this game, it's kind of different than the first one. The weapons upgrade 5 times.
Am I glad to see you, Sarge? We're pinned down by that enemy vehicle. Somebody's gotta take it out.
Let me guess. That somebody is me.
We got a volunteer. Here, Sarge, take this. We'll cover you. From back there.
Try using the nitro
What?
launcher against that vehicle.
I love those guys. Ah,
To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick. Hold L1 to precisely target your weapon.
anyways, I'm very glad I'm doing these games. Ratchet Clank games is one of my favorite series on the PlayStation. And as soon as the Gladiator / Deadlocked is released, I'll be LPing that game too. And I won't be even... It will be my very first playthrough in this PlayStation. You guys will see me collecting all the trophies and whatnot. Though I probably won't be doing a Platinum Trophy run. After I finish the game, I'll probably play the game until I get the trophy on my own.
Your maximum nanotech level has increased.
I think that is Ratchet's home. That thing there. Because there's a poster from Cork, you guys see. So I'm pretty sure this here is Ratchet's house. Yeah, because this is the exit, and that's this place that there's those frogs from the first game, and the bridge. You guys can see the bridge that we traverse. So that's Ratchet's home, most certainly it is. It's a shame that it's destroyed.
What's the situation?
The Noids have fallen back to a base in F sector. We have orders to go in and take them out. F sector? No way. Game over, man. We're all gonna end up as scrap metal.
Get back in there, trooper. We've got a planet to save.
Sir, yes, sir.
Ratchet implying some respect on the soldiers. Just a thing quickly, I'm going to turn on subtitles. This game does have subtitles, unlike the second. Ah, it's the same glitch. The missiles won't come at us. This glitch first happened to me when on the boss battle against Nefarious. It only happens in the collection.
Watch out! They're coming out of the rubble!
Upgrade number 1.
Your weapon has upgraded. Weapons upgrade automatically when they're used frequently.
You can charge it up now.
Hold circle to charge up the shock blaster for a more powerful attack.
Waste those Tyrannoids! The doors have opened! Look out!
Get the bolts. Oh, it's still here.
Sir, we have a transmission from the president.
How are things on the front lines, soldier? Is that Secret Agent Clank?
Greetings, sir. We're here to help.
Well, this is an honor, and I see you brought your chauffeur along.
What? No. Hold on a second, sir.
Agent Clank, we must stop Dr. Nefarious. As you may know, only one man has ever faced him and survived. I've just received a top-secret report on that man's whereabouts. Here, take a look.
On tonight's episode of Nature's Mysteries, we examine the Florana tree beast. Deep in the dense growth of Florana's Jambu forest lives a mysterious creature. Or maybe he doesn't. It's one of Nature's Mysteries.
I seen him run right through our camping site. He was buck naked, screaming and holding a banana. Or maybe it weren't a banana. It could be.
One of Nature's Mysteries. Legend tells that this mysterious creature is actually one of the greatest superheroes who ever lived. Shamed by his recent past, he is now one of Nature's Mysteries. Tune in and find out the answers.
We need you to find this man. The fate of the galaxy may depend on it.
Are you sure this is the guy you're looking for, Mr. President? Yeah, he seems like kind of a, wacko.
You may be right, but he's the best chance we've got. I know you boys won't let me down.
You can count on us, sir.
Yeah. Some of them I actually got